Hi everyone, welcome back to GDPR Made Easy, where we simplify GDPR and data privacy laws for businesses and individuals. Today we are breaking down the actionable steps businesses can take to comply with GDPR, from conducting impact assessment to managing vendor relationship. We will guide you with examples to make it easy to understand. Understand what GDPR requires. The first step to compliance is understanding what GDPR is all about. This means identify the type of personal data your business collect, like customer name, IP addresses, or payment information. Understand the GDPR principle for data processing, like lawfulness, transparency, and purpose limitation. Understanding your role. Are you a data controller or a processor? Controller decides why the data is processed, while the processor handles the data on the behalf of controller. For example, a marketing agency collect customer emails for retailer, act as a processor, while the retailer is a controller. Once you know the basics, you can start building a compliance according to your business. Conduct a data protection impact assessment, DPIA. If your business process high risk data like health record or financial details, a data protection impact assessment or DPIA is very important. For example, a healthcare company launching a new app to store patient data must conduct a DPIA. This assessment helps you to identify the potential risk to data security, evaluate the impact of those risks, implement measures to reduce or eliminate them. Of it as a risk management tool for personal data. Appoint a data protection officer. Appointing a data protection officer or DPO is the key GDPR requirement for many businesses, especially those that handle large amount of sensitive data. The DPO role includes monitoring GDPR compliance, conducting trainings for employees, and acting as a point of contact for data protection authorities. Your DPO does not have to be in-house. You can also outsource this role to a professional. Ensure vendor compliance. Did you know your business could be held accountable for vendor who process data on your behalf? That's why ensuring vendor compliance is essential. Review contract with the third-party vendors to confirm that they meet GDPR requirements. Choose vendors who follow the strict data protection measures like encryption and secure data storage. Your compliance does not stop with your business, it extends to your vendors too. For example, a retailer using a cloud provider must ensure that provider complies with the GDPR by signing a data processing agreement, reviewing their security protocols, and auditing their data handling practices. Implement security measures. GDPR require businesses to secure personal data against breaches and unauthorized access. Some best practices include encrypting sensitive data, using multi-factor authentication, and regular auditing your system for vulnerabilities, restricting access to data. Data breaches not only lead to fines but also damage their reputation. In 2020, a global hotel faced massive fines for data breaches that exposed customer records. Stronger encryption and access control could have prevented this. Update privacy policies and processes. Transparency is the key to GDPR compliance. Update your privacy policies to clearly explain why the data is collected, how it is used, and how user can exercise their rights. Train employees on these policies to ensure compliance on every level of the organization. GDPR compliance involves understanding your responsibilities, conducting DPIAs, appointing a DPO, securing your vendors, and implementing robust security and transparency measures. Compliance is not just about avoiding penalties, it's about building trust and ensuring long term success in privacy's concise world.